Meet Pete, Senior Estimator at Construction Team Limited. He uses spreadsheets for his estimates, always has done, and he's sceptical of changing. Pete measures everything out with a scale rule, and it takes ages. Billy is the new cost planner, and he's brought his expertise with estimating software with him. Where Billy uploads all of his measurements to a 2D takeoff platform, he can see there are some sizing errors, and he corrects them straight away. Pete searches through the product catalogues, websites, and calls suppliers for prices. Billy's software is linked to a data service which instantly gives him the fit times and accurate prices with his suppliers' discounts. Pete can only add his profit as a single line on his estimate, whereas Billy can spread his profit across the areas and he knows when he's going to get some variations. So when the client asks if Pete can knock $5,000 off the job, he panics. Whereas Billy knows that at the push of a button, he can change the budget and still see that he's going to make a profit. Billy wins the contract. For Pete, they may have won the job, but his measurements and prices were so wrong that he ran the job at a loss. Billy not only made profit, but the business has also made some extra money on the variations. Well done, Billy. Find out more at mep.trimble.co.uk.